Hello everyone! It's been a while, but we're gonna do this. I'm gonna make some rotisserie. Oh, hello, close and personal there. We're going to make some rotisserie chicken. I've got my chicken right here that we're gonna towel dry. I got my lemon ready as well, so I can put that in the center of the chicken for the skewer, I guess, to hold on to. So I'm gonna dry him out the best I can. Okay. Now, what we want to do, just to make this life a little easier, I find anyway. Oh, there we go. Once I get my hands on it. Now this part, I always have fun with it. Get the lemon in there. Now, oh, sorry, I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. Gonna tie that chicken back up there again. Get the skewers. Get it in. Get the skewer, get it in. Both sides. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. I always have, there we go. There's always one side that will give me grief comparison to the other one. Okay. Lock them in there. Flip it over, because for some reason I just put it on backwards. That's alright. I'm going to try and get it as tight as you can on there. And I'm going to wash my hands again. Get my twine. And tie the chicken up some more, just in this way I know it's not going to go anywhere. Don't need to be fancy. It just needs to be secured on there so it's not going to go anywhere. I did not cut off enough string. Dang it. I hate when I do that. Hate when I do that. It's alright. We will make it work. Or not. I'll just cut off more string. It's alright. Yes, I'm fully aware of the fact that I am touching this after touching something. Alright, fully aware. Okay. Now I got enough string. Now I don't gotta worry about it. Because that's one thing I've learned, is you really want these things tied up good. Or else they just flop around in there. And then you just have to listen to it and it's so annoying. I hate listening to it when it's flop flop, flop flop. Just gonna tie it up real good. Yes. All right. Ooh. Now what I'm going to do is wash my hands. Now I love sesame oil on chicken. I personally think it's great. I love sesame oil on chicken and on turkey. If you can't have it, use something else. This is just what I personally love using. Get that skin nice and ooh, 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 ooh. Yes, massage the bird. And then wash your hands. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a rib rub that I make, if I have any of it. Oh yes, I do. If I remember, I will leave it down in the description. If I don't, just type in rib rub and you'll find it in my videos. You'll probably end up by having to do that because I'm horrible for remembering. Gonna sprinkle that all on there. Sprinkle that on there. Oh yes. Gonna get everywhere. Oh yes. Alright. Now if you give me a moment, I'm gonna wash my hands and take you over to the rotisserie oven. Okay, now I know you can't exactly see right on in there. Sorry. Oh, I need to do this. How mine works is I got you that down there. That catches all the drippings. And then we take this bad boy, flip it the other way, because I don't have it the right way. Okay, goes in, down in there. Okay, give me a second. Okay, there you go. Now you can see them in there. Ooh, yes. So mine just locks in the sides there. Close that up. I have peanut butter on there because I have children. They're awesome. All right, now I want this on rotisserie. Just hitting that button. And I always put it on, oh, there we go. I always put mine on for 2 hours. And then I come back and I check it. Yeah, we'll start it at 375. All right. Now, it's going to cook. Yes. Okay, we'll be back as this cooks and as I get doing more stuff, because right now, all I can do is just watch the chicken turn. Okay, now I gotta get the rice cooking. So I've washed it. 1 cup of the mixed rice and the wild rice. Just gonna throw some butter in there. Sorry, people get upset when I say butter. It's vegan margarine. Okay. So I have this, oh, doesn't it look great? Okay, that's gonna go in there. It's all nicely washed up, ready to go. Got some butter in there so I can fry it. I need spatula. Okay. Now I personally, I like to fry up my rice as I'm doing this. Why? I have no idea, I just do. And I need a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Come on, cute. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. A good handful of chives. Oh, let's go a little bit more than that. And a tablespoon of dried peppers. And of course you can add garlic and onion if you eat that. I can't eat it, so my family does not eat it. That's a lie, they do eat it, just not when I'm cooking. If Roger's the one cooking, he makes it. He does it that way. Okay. Now, let me bring you closer. Okay. There you go, you can see right in there now. Sorry guys, it's the only angle I can get for you. Well, with this tripod, maybe if I got a smaller tripod, I don't know. Okay, gonna fry this up. You just want to fry it up until all the rice is nicely toasted. Let me tell you, that chicken, it smells so good. I know it's all the sugar and the rub, but still, I don't care, it smells good. Okay, now we're going to add, you want 2½ cups of liquid for this. You want the extra ½ cup for the dehydrated items. So there's 2 cups. And there's about ½ cup. And that was chicken stock I used because I'm making chicken flavored rice, kind of, you know. And if you don't have chicken stock, you can use the box stuff, right? And if you don't have the box stuff, just use the cubes and break them up in here and then add the water to rehydrate it. Okay, so we're going to get that up to a boil. And then I'm going to move it to a different burner because I need this on a different burner. So we'll be back when I'm making the next part of dinner. Here's an update on the chicken. Oh, doesn't that just look fantastic? Like, yes. Yep. I'm gonna have to check it soon, make sure, see how it's doing. Ah, but it just looks so glorious. Okay, let me turn that off so you can see. Okay, the chicken is done. I just finished checking it. The internal temperature is reading at 180, 190. Yeah, it's done. So what I'm going to do is carefully remove all the prongs from it because I am forever burning myself when I do this. I gotta flip it back over again so I can get to these. This is the part that stinks, is doing this part. Because you want to do it while it's still hot so you can let it sit with a bowl on top of it. Okay. Now, handy tongs, pull that. Come on. Ugh. It's stuck. I hate that. Come on, there we go. Okay. up. Look at that. Now it's gonna get a bowl, put it on top of that so it can rest. Okay, and here we go. Here it is now. There's the rotisserie chicken, the flavored rice, and green beans is what I did for the side vegetable there. There we go. Now we are going to eat, and my dog is going to start barking. My husband's lunch for tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.